Hello, my dear student. Today now we start chapter 5, which is based on line and angles. Now, first introduction of chapter 5 is we can already study in class 6 angle. What is angle? Some angle properties. First is acute angle. Acute angle is what? Angle which is less than 90 is called a acute angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is what? Angle which is greater than 90 but less than 180 is known as obtuse angle. Right angle is what? Angle which is equals to 90 degree is known as right angle. Straight angle, it means angle which is equals to 180 डिग्री. इट मीन्स लाइन पर पूरा आपका एंगल मूव करेगा. सो ये कितना होगा 180 डिग्री. सो एंगल विच इज इक्वल्स टू 180 इज नोन एज स्ट्रेट एंगल. रिफ्लेक्स एंगल, एंगल विच इज ग्रेटर देन 180 इज नोन एज रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. Now in chapter number 5, first important topic is complementary angle. What is complementary angle? When the sum of measure of two angle is 90 degree, it means two angles का sum, if angle sum of two angle is 90 degree, then it is known as complementary angle. For example, if first angle is 60 and second is 30, if we add 60 plus 30 we get 90. It means it is complementary angle. Similarly, now I take example, say another example. Angle 1 is 50 and angle second is x. Now how to find the value of x? We know that sum of these two angle is equals to 90 degree in a complementary angle. Okay, so 50 plus x equal 90. So x equal 90 minus 50. ये 50 RHS में शिफ्ट होगा तो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. So x equal कितना 40. तो by the using of this method we find the value of x. Now second one important concept is supplementary angle. What is supplementary angle? When the sum of two angle is 180 degree. Okay, then this angle is known as supplementary angle. If two angles का sum 180 degree होगा तो वो आपका क्या होगा? Supplementary angle. If sum of two angle is 90, then it is complementary angle. Okay, now I take one example. Angle 1 is 100 and angle 2 is 80. So sum of two angle 100 plus 80 is what? 180. So it is supplementary angle. Okay. Now take another example. First angle is 120 and second is x. So we find the value of x. 120 plus x equal 180 in the case of supplementary angle. So we get x equal 60. Now third one is adjacent angle. What is adjacent angle? For adjacent angle, three condition is important. If we take this diagram in angle AOB and angle BOC, so first is common vertex. It means दोनों एंगल्स का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट मतलब सेम वर्टेक्स पर होना चाहिए. सेम वर्टेक्स इज O. सो कॉमन वर्टेक्स इज O. कॉमन आर्म, दोनों एंगल के अंदर वन साइड क्या होना चाहिए? आपकी कॉमन होना चाहिए. हियर OB इज इन ऑल्सो इन ट्राइंगल ABC and also in triangle BOC. So OB is common arm. Okay. Third one is non-common arm on other side. दोनों एंगल्स की रिमेनिंग वन साइड क्या होना चाहिए? कॉमन नहीं होना चाहिए. सो यहाँ पर आपकी OA इन ट्राइंगल AOB and OCE in angle BOC. Okay. So no common arm on either side. Such pair of angles are called a adjacent angle. Okay. Now another topic is linear pair. Linear pair, it means a linear pair is the pair of adjacent angle whose non-common sides are opposite ray. Okay. And also we can define the linear pair by if sum of two angle is 180. Okay. Like और ये स्ट्रेट लाइन पर ही ड्रॉ होगा. स्ट्रेट लाइन हॉरिजॉन्टल हो सकती है, वर्टिकल हो सकती है, ओके, ट्रांसवर्सल हो सकती है, बट सम ऑफ टू एंगल इज 180 डिग्री. ओके, इट इज कॉल्ड ए लीनियर पेयर. नाउ अनदर इज वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. Vertically opposite angle, when the line intersect each other, when two line intersect each other, then opposite angles are equal and known as vertically opposite angle. Okay, ये आपकी रे है, suppose L and M are two are ray. Okay, so both the line are intersect one point. Okay, so the opposite angles are equal. It means if we take angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4, so angle 1 is equals to angle 3 and angle 2 is equals to angle 4. It is known as vertically opposite angle. Now this all the definition is based on exercise 5.1. Now we discuss another definition, which is line. Start with line. It is based on exercise 5.2. Now we first we introduce all these chapters definition, then we start exercise 5.1 and 5.2. Okay, so here definition of line and the pairs of line, which is based on exercise 5.2. First, we know in class 6 line is what? If line segment has two endpoint, if we take a start with A to B, if यहाँ पर आपका A का भी एंड पॉइंट है और B का भी एंड पॉइंट है, तो अगर इफ किसी लाइन के अगर दोनों एंड पॉइंट है तो वो क्या कहलाएगा आपका लाइन सेगमेंट. इट इज कॉल्ड ए लाइन सेगमेंट. if we extend the two end point, then it's become a line. If AB is a line segment and we extend in left also and right also, then it is become a line. If this is a ray because it has one end point, if any line has one end point, then it becomes a ray. Now start with pairs of line. First is intersecting line. What? First is intersecting line. So if two lines cuts each other, then it is intersecting line. If two lines cuts each other, then it is called intersecting line. And when the two lines are cut each other, then this point is known as point of intersection. Okay. Now another definition is transversal line. Transversal line is what? A line that intersect two or more lines at a distinct point is called a transversal line. यहाँ पर आपके पास L and M two line है. P is a transversal line because it intersect L also and L also and M also and distinct point. Here it cuts L at this point and it cuts M at this point. Okay, so it is known as transversal line. Now third one is angle made by a transversal. Okay, so we take L and M are two lines and P is a transversal. Now we let angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now here some important angle. First is interior angle. So interior angle is what? Interior angle in two parallel lines के mid में जो angle होंगे, it means angle 4, angle 3, angle 5 and angle 6 is known as interior angle. Now exterior angle. Exterior angle is what? Exterior angle is what? लाइन के अपोजिट जो एंगल होंगे, मतलब या तो टॉप की तरफ या बॉटम की तरफ. ओके, विच इज नोन एज एक्सटीरियर एंगल. इट मीन्स एंगल 1, एंगल 2, एंगल 7 एंड एंगल 8 इज एक्सटीरियर एंगल. नाउ करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल. करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल इज व्हाट? करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल इज एंगल, यहाँ समझिए मैं आपको ड्रॉ करके बता रहा हूँ. इफ एल एंड एम आर टू लाइन एंड इस लाइन इज पी इज ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन, देन same angle of intersect both the line. It means angle 1 and angle 5 is corresponding angle. Similarly angle 2 and angle 6 is corresponding angle. Similarly angle 3 and angle 7 is corresponding angle, and angle 4 and angle 8 is also corresponding angle. Okay, now another is fifth one is interior alternate angle. Okay, interior alternate angle, it means आपकी टू पैरेलल लाइन के मिड में जो एंगल होंगे उनका इंटीरियर अल्टरनेट एंगल या अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल. ओके, इसको ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं आप. सो क्या होगा यहाँ पे? क्रॉस वाले एंगल. ओके, एक्स फॉर्म में जो एंगल मेड होंगे वो आपके क्या होंगे? अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर. इंटीरियर इट मीन्स टू लाइन के मिड वाले एंगल. ओके, सो एंगल 3 एंड एंगल 5 इज alternate interior angle and angle 4 and angle 6 is also alternate interior angle. Now alternate exterior angle. Okay, so alternate exterior angle is what? लाइन के टॉप और बॉटम में एक्स फॉर्म को क्रॉस करेंगे वो एंगल आपके अल्टरनेट एक्सटीरियर होंगे. इट मीन्स एंगल 1 इज एंड एंगल 7 इज अल्टरनेट एक्सटीरियर एंगल एंड एंगल 2 एंड एंगल 8 इज अल्टरनेट एक्सटीरियर एंगल. Now sixth one is एंगल ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल, सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल पर जो एंगल मेड हो रहे हैं वो आपके क्या होंगे, ये जो ट्रांसवर्सल होगा ये इंटीरियर ही होगा, ओके, इट मीन्स 2L एंड M लाइन के मिड वाली वैल्यू होगी, ओके. सो सेम साइड, इट मीन्स एंगल 3 एंड एंगल 6 and angle 4 and angle 5 are angle on the same side of transversal. Okay, now another topic is transversal of parallel lines. Transversal of parallel line. Here L and M are two lines and P is a transversal. So three conditions. Corresponding angles are equal. It means corresponding angle is what? Corresponding angle, it means this angle is equals to this angle, okay, and this angle is equals to this angle, okay. So corresponding angles are equal, alternate angles are equal. Alternate में angles में आपका interior angle भी होगा और exterior angle भी होगा. Two things is this, and third one is exterior angle on same side of transversal are supplementary, okay. जो exterior angle होगा same side of transversal, exterior it means angle 1 is equals to angle 8, okay. So our supplementary is what? The sum of two angle is 180 degree. Then three condition is satisfy when होगी, जब आपकी दोनों L and M line क्या होगी, parallel होगी, okay. It means parallel, it means distance between both the lines are same in a no end point, okay. ये L और M की distance always same होगी, then both the lines are called a parallel lines. Thank you.